Everyone is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, the fish will think his whole life that he was stupid. We have been measuring success that way. We have been measuring success historically, thinking that we were machines. More and more and more and more. Hard work, just a little bit more, just a little bit more. That has brought us all kinds of problems. Burnout, feeling like an imposter, and it's really very interesting, feeling like an imposter, like if there was something wrong with being a human being. Especially when I think about women. Women, we are cyclical. We grow in waves. We don't grow in straight lines. But in fact, all humans, we are cyclical. Have you ever seen, maybe in real, maybe you experience it, maybe you see it on television, when somebody is in a hospital connected to a monitor, the monitor goes up and down, up and down, up and down. And what happens when the person dies? The line is flat. Having a flat line, behaving like a machine, leads to death. When we connect to cycles, we connect with the real essence of life. Why don't do that? We don't do it in our life. We work late at night. We don't eat when we're hungry. No wonder we don't do it with our businesses. The fall is starting. Every single tree has already got the memo. The leaves are starting to fall. Have you got the memo yourself? We need to start planning in a complete different way now. Because you see, it's coming the last quarter of the year. It is starting next week. 1st of October is next week. We need to start planning that last quarter. But I want to suggest to you is that you don't plan as normal. That you connect with the essence of what the autumn is all about. It's not like the summer, exuberant. It's not like the winter, to go within. It's the essence of the harvest. So what does that mean? Storms? What does that mean? Taking care, storing. What does that mean? Sharing stories around the fire. What is the translation for you in your business? This is something that you can be doing. And you have the opportunity because it's just very exciting. This week was the equinox of fall, and next week will be the harvest moon, the full moon that would allow us to plan intentionally. You could say that I am going very spiritual and astrologist-like, and you could also say that I have gone really scientific, because you see, the moon is a very big object and has effect on your nature. The equinox is a very big movement that has effect in your nature, in your hormones, in your brain. If you deny that hormones have an effect in your brain, I mean, you know, come on. That's very scientific. So why don't use the power of your own body-mind connection for your business? Why don't you use it for your life? So I invite you to make a plan very differently. A plan that considers the moment, the right moment. Stop behaving like a machine. You are a human being. You are a woman. If you want me to help you, join us. A group of women and myself are getting together next week during the Harvest Moon 29th and 30th of September to make a plan for the most profitable part of the year, the last 3 months of the year. I hope to see you there. The link is in the comments below. And yeah, plan mindfully, plan with your heart, plan connected to Mother Earth. Have a wonderful weekend.